Hello, and welcome back. Today, we're diving into an essential topic that can transform your financial future, increasing your financial IQ. If you're ready to take control of your finances, make smarter money decisions, and build lasting wealth, you're in the right place. But before we get started, be sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss any of our valuable financial insights. Let's jump into it. Increasing your financial intelligence, financial IQ is a valuable pursuit in today's complex economic landscape. A higher financial IQ equips you with the knowledge and skills needed to make informed decisions, manage your money effectively, and build wealth over time. In this essay, we'll explore 10 comprehensive ways to enhance your financial IQ and achieve financial success. Number 1. Read financial books. Reading is indeed one of the most accessible and enriching ways to boost your financial IQ. The world of personal finance and investing is brimming with valuable literature that can transform the way you think about money and wealth. Two standout books that deserve your attention are Rich Dad, Poor Dad by Robert Kiyosaki and The Millionaire Next Door by Thomas J. Stanley. Rich Dad, Poor Dad is a cornerstone in the realm of personal finance literature. Robert Kiyosaki's book provides a powerful narrative that emphasizes the crucial role of financial education. Through the juxtaposition of his Poor Dad and Rich Dad, he explores the fundamental differences in mindset and approaches to money. Kiyosaki argues that acquiring financial intelligence is the key to achieving financial success, irrespective of your income level. The Millionaire Next Door takes a different approach by shedding light on the lives of ordinary millionaires. Thomas J. Stanley's book reveals that most millionaires are not extravagant spenders, but rather individuals who have amassed wealth through frugality, wise financial choices, and disciplined saving. This book provides valuable insights into the habits and characteristics of those who have successfully accumulated wealth over time. Both of these books offer valuable financial lessons and can inspire a shift in your perspective on money. They are excellent starting points for anyone looking to enhance their financial literacy and make informed decisions about their financial future. Reading these books can be a stepping stone to a more secure and prosperous financial life. Number 2. Take online courses. The internet has revolutionized the way we access information and education, and it's a goldmine when it comes to personal finance and investing. Online courses, both free and paid, offer a rich tapestry of opportunities for individuals to enhance their financial literacy and investment acumen. The accessibility of these courses is remarkable. With just a few clicks, you can access a vast array of learning resources that cater to your specific needs and skill level. Whether you're a beginner looking to understand the basics of budgeting and saving, or a seasoned investor seeking to fine-tune your strategies, there's a course out there for you. One of the key advantages of online finance and investing courses is the structured nature of the learning experience. They typically provide a well-organized curriculum with video lectures, readings, quizzes, and assignments. This structure helps learners progress systematically and ensures they grasp essential concepts. Moreover, these courses often include practical exercises and real-world case studies. This hands-on approach allows students to apply what they've learned to their personal financial situations. Whether it's creating a budget, managing debt, or constructing an investment portfolio, these exercises help bridge the gap between theory and practice. The flexibility and convenience of online courses are another noteworthy aspect. Learners can access content at their own pace, fitting education into their busy schedules. This flexibility is particularly valuable for working professionals and busy individuals seeking to boost their financial knowledge. While many online courses are free, some premium options come with a fee. These paid courses may offer more comprehensive content, personalized feedback, or certification upon completion, which can be a valuable addition to your resume. Online finance and investing courses often boast a strong online community. These communities allow students to engage with instructors and peers, ask questions, share experiences, and learn from one another. This collaborative aspect adds depth to the learning experience. In a rapidly changing financial landscape, staying informed and educated is crucial. Online courses on personal finance and investing enable individuals to Keep up with the latest trends, strategies, and best practices. They offer a dynamic and accessible path to financial empowerment and security. Number 3. Attend seminars and workshops. Seminars and workshops on financial topics are offered in most communities. Attending these events can be an excellent way to learn from experts and network with like-minded individuals. Experts often provide real-world insights and practical advice, helping you to apply your newfound knowledge to your unique financial circumstances. Number 4. Listen to financial podcasts. Podcasts are an increasingly popular medium for consuming financial information. They cover a wide range of topics, from investing in stocks and real estate to budgeting and debt management. Many financial podcasts feature experts who share their experiences, insights, and strategies. You can listen to these podcasts during your commute or downtime, making it a convenient way to enhance your financial IQ. Number 5. Follow financial news. Staying informed about financial news is crucial for improving your financial IQ. Economic events and market fluctuations can have a significant impact on your investments and overall financial health. By regularly following financial news, you'll gain insights into economic trends, industry developments, and investment opportunities. This knowledge will enable you to make more informed decisions and navigate your financial journey successfully. Number 6. Study investing strategy. Understanding various investment strategies is fundamental to building your financial IQ. You should learn about different asset classes, including stocks, bonds, real estate, and mutual funds. Each investment type comes with its own set of risks and rewards. And understanding these nuances is essential for making well-informed investment decisions. Diversifying your portfolio across these asset classes can help manage risk and optimize returns. Number 7. Create a budget. A budget is the cornerstone of financial literacy. To increase your financial IQ, create a comprehensive budget that tracks your income and expenses. This will provide you with a clear picture of your financial situation and help you make informed decisions about your spending and saving. A budget can also reveal areas where you can cut unnecessary expenses, allocate more funds to savings and investments, and ensure that you're living within your means. Number 8. Start investing. While knowledge is undoubtedly important, applying that knowledge in real-life situations is equally crucial. Start by making small investments and gradually increase your exposure to various asset classes. Beginning with a small investment allows you to learn and make mistakes with limited financial risk. Over time, you'll become more comfortable with investing and better equipped to handle larger financial decisions. Number 9. Network with financial experts. Networking is an invaluable tool for increasing your financial IQ. Attend financial events, join investment clubs, or participate in local groups that focus on personal finance and investing. These interactions provide you with an opportunity to learn from financial experts and gain insights into their experiences and strategies. Learning from others' successes and failures can save you time and help you avoid common financial pitfalls. Number 10. Practice discipline and patience. One of the most critical aspects of increasing your financial IQ is the development of discipline and patience. Even with extensive knowledge, making impulsive decisions can lead to financial setbacks. It's essential to be disciplined in your saving and spending habits. Establish a routine for saving and stick to it. Avoid unnecessary debt and make sure you're making informed financial decisions rather than emotional ones. Be patient with your investments, as wealth building is a long-term endeavor. The compounding effect of investments over time is a powerful tool for wealth accumulation. In conclusion, enhancing your financial IQ is a continuous journey that can significantly impact your financial well-being. The 10 methods outlined in this essay provide a comprehensive approach to increasing your financial intelligence. Reading financial books, taking online courses, attending seminars, and listening to podcasts all contribute to your knowledge base. Following financial news, studying investing strategies, and creating a budget help you apply that knowledge effectively. Starting to invest and networking with experts allow you to gain practical experience and real-world insights. Ultimately, practicing discipline and patience is essential in translating your financial intelligence into tangible results. By following these methods and committing to lifelong learning, you can develop the skills and knowledge needed to make informed financial decisions, manage your money effectively, and achieve your financial goals. Increasing your financial IQ is an investment in your future financial success, and it's a journey well worth embarking on. Thank you for joining me today as we explored the 10 ways to increase your financial IQ. I hope you found this information helpful and are ready to take action on your journey to financial success. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends and family who might also benefit from boosting their financial intelligence. Remember, financial literacy is a powerful tool for building a secure future, so keep learning, keep growing, and keep prospering. I'll see you in the next video.